everybody, Kat from Creative Crafts here, and today's video is I'm going to be making this little corner into a, what you call it in German, Kuschelecke. That is a cuddling corner, you could say in English. I'm going to turn this area into a Kuschelecke, cuddle corner, and I'll let you know how I did it, or how I'm going to do it. Of course, the first step you need to get the 3 pallets. Well, 4 if you wanted to have it higher. And you make sure the area is clean or it's big enough for a pallet. I already started. I put some nice flower things here so that you have a little bit of privacy. As you can see, the street is right there. And I bought also a curtain to hang up where those poles are so that I can cover that so it protects the sitting area that I'm going to put here, that it's protected. So that is what I also did. I'm waiting for the stuff to come in, and once that comes in we can start. The pallets, I cleaned them, and then I put some teak oil on it to make it a little bit darker and also protect it from rain or whatever. I do suggest if you want to paint it, you can. I was going to paint it white, but I decided not to. As you can see, I decided to make it a little darker. That darker one is the bottom piece where you're going to be sitting, and that's why I decided, I'll use that for the bottom. No one's really going to see it. And the other 2 pieces are for where one of the cushions are going on the bottom, and one end is for the back side. So we have to put that all together. I will show you how to do that. And like you see here, I did it with the teak oil already. The wood looks pretty little bit stained, but it's just from the teak oil alone. That's it. It's not from stain. It's from teak oil. That's all natural. It's non-toxic, and that's the best thing to use. My dog just walked by with my future daughter-in-law, and he's running by. That's why I'm laughing. So this is what I'm going to do here, and on the other end here, as you can see, I have my clothes hanging, but I'm already starting my little vegetable garden. I'm making a small one, and that's also, I'm going to show you how you can do that with that. And when I'm done, you'll see how easy and fast you can make a little Kuschelecke on a small porch or balcony or whatever you want to call it. And we'll go to that very first step. So the first step, like I said, is you need to use teak oil or paint if you want to use normal stain. I decided to use teak oil that's non-toxic, so that I know that and also non-flammable. And I make sure I put 1 coat, and I'm going to put a 2nd coat, and that's what you need to do. Put stuff on it so it protects it if you are in an area where it's going to rain a lot. And that's what I'm going to do here. So everybody, the second step that I did is, you can see here, I hung up a shower curtain. I sewed it up top so that it fit in those curtain rods, and so you can fit it in between. You can see up there. So that's how I did it, so it can hang, so it protects the sofa that I'm going to put here, when I put the sofa there, it's going to be a little bit protected from the rain. So that's what I picked for this one. So that's one of the steps yet. And I also bought a rug that looks like grass, and I'm going to put that on the floor. And then the next step is putting the bed together, the sofa together. So everybody, here is some things I'm going to be using to put the pallets together. Yes, I can just leave them on top of each other and leave it as that. But when I want to sit on it, I don't want to have to worry about it when you're roughing or the dog jumps on it, it moves. I want it to be stable. So in some of the shows you don't see that. Some of the videos they show making these pallet sofa. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start putting them together. I'm going to do 2 of them together, and then when I'm done, I will make a short video and show you exactly where I put it. So everybody, so far this is what I did on 3 areas, here, here, in here. And you can see now it doesn't move whatsoever from each other. So that's how I did it with this one. That's the bottom part. Now you can see I put the back on. And the screws I'm going to use for that I'll show you in a minute. I'll screw it in and then I'll show you. So everybody, this is what I did in all three areas. I did these, and now it's very sturdy so I can lean against it and it's not going to fall apart on me. And now the next step is actually putting the cushions on it. So everybody, this is the finished project. Didn't think it was going to be as easy as it was. You know, the pallets, putting them together, I thought it would be a little bit more work, but it really wasn't. Just put them top of each other, screw some things connecting so that they connected together, connect the back to those two, done. Put the cushions, decorations, and now I have my little cuddling corner. And that's it. Hope you liked this video. I know it was a little short. I haven't made any videos for a long time. I've been working a lot, but so slowly my videos will start coming back with other great ideas. This is just a quick idea what you could do with the pallets and the cushions. These cushions I bought from Amazon. They're extra 4 pallets, so I think they fit perfect. Yeah, and that's it. I paid, I think, 45 euros for the set for the 2 cushions. The 2 pillows I got from my job at Cody. They're waterproof, so if it rains, so isn't the cushions. They're for outside, so that's it. That's all it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!